Hey there! Are you tired of manually watermarking multiple images one by one? SooNmus Artificial Intelligence has got you covered. Boost productivity with ease and give us a thumbs up. My mentor asked me to write a script to quickly watermark a batch of images. Easy. And we decided to share it with all of you. First, open your preferred text editor and copy the code provided in the description. Important to mention, you'll need to have Python installed as well as Pillow. Remember to adjust the pathways according to your needs and specifications. Once you have saved the code, give it a name, such as subscribe to site.py, and make sure to add the .py extension. Next, navigate to the directory containing the script and your input images. Then, open up your terminal or command prompt and type Python subscribe to site.py without quotes. Voila! The images in the output folder will be watermarked in just seconds, saving you time and effort. Running into issues? Site's got your back. Just ask in the comments. Thanks for watching and bye.